Hello everyone, good morning. This is Dinesh here. Welcome again to the channel. So, in one of the last video, I've shown you about Lakshmi Organics, right? We have seen how one of the participants was able to make around 10% and even more. Okay. So, what I want to show today is how the same opportunity was being taken by another participant, whereas this particular participant took the opportunity in a different way, and how he was able to make 30+% profit in one single trade. Okay, so let's go to the chart and I'll show you how he took the trade and what was the reason he was able to make so much of profit. Let's go to the charts. So we are going to see Lakshmi Organics here, okay? But before we go to the concept, let me show you what was the trade that he has done and how much profit did he make. Yeah, so this was one of the person, Pratap, okay, who was able to make around 31,350, okay, which was around 34.5%. Okay, so he bought at 363 and he sold at 488, almost like 34% plus profit, okay, in one single trade. Okay, let's see how he did it and how much profit did he make on how many days. Okay, let's go to the charts. So Pratap actually bought this particular share, okay, at around 363, okay, which is around somewhere on this particular candle. Okay, so what was the reason why he bought? Okay, so based on this particular chart, right, what are the things that we can understand, or what are the things that you can analyze, apply the concepts? Okay, so we can see that this particular line at 359.29 can act as a very good support, correct? No doubt about it. Okay, and then we can apply a trend line. Okay, we can apply a trend line like this, okay, joining the highs, which is going to act as a strong resistance. And on this exact candle where he was able to buy that particular share, you can see a breakout, okay, a breakout on that particular candle, and that is a price at which he bought, right? 363. Okay, that is a candle on which he entered into this trade. And what did he do? He was okay, so if you actually put the targets first, okay, this can be taken as one of the targets, this can be taken as another target, and even further. Okay, so and after that you can use the trailing stop loss method to go further. So what are the targets that was hit? So it was in next let's go to the 1 hour time frame itself. Yeah, so the trade was taken here, and in next 2 hours on the same day itself, it was able to hit his first target, and on the second day it was able to hit his second target, okay, 398, and still you can see the candle here, it is still bullish, okay, and so he stayed on the trade. And even if you are using the trailing stop loss method, you are going to be on the trade till this particular candle, correct? So till that point of time there is no sign of bearishness. Okay, so on this particular candle you can see that bearishness has come into picture, the trailing stop loss would have hit and he would have closed the trade. So but where did he actually close? He closed the trade at 488.45. okay, 488.45, which was around somewhere on this candle. Okay, somewhere on this candle. So in these two candles, right, by these two candles we can actually say that okay, bearishness are coming to picture, and you can book your profits and close your trade. So this is one of the trade, because the previous participant who was able to do it, right, who was able to make around 10 to 12%, but this particular person was able to take even better, okay, and he was able to make 35% profit in just a matter of how many days? If I have to take the number of days, right, okay, this was 26th of August to 31st of August. Okay, in just a matter of 1 week, okay, 5 days, okay, this person has got around 35% profit. Okay, excellent, right? Okay, this is a great one, very good opportunity. A short-term trade, but giving you 35% profit. Excellent one. Okay, that's the kind of trades you should be focusing on. Okay, this one single trade has given him almost like 31,000. Okay, he has invested like 1.2 lakhs. Okay, and he has got around 31,000 profit on this one single trade. Okay, so this is about how short-term trade, how even the short-term trade can help you make good amount of money within a very short period of time. Okay, so make sure that you practice the concepts, guys. Make sure you practice the concepts well, so that you can also identify such opportunities when you are analyzing on your charts. Okay, analyzing on the companies. Okay, so I'll be coming up with more concepts, more examples, and more results of some of the participants. Okay, so till then, take care, stay safe, and have a great day. Bye bye.